Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Wednesday, March 9th, 2022.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
March is Women's History Month, and today we will be honoring NASA engineer Judith Love Cohen. As a child, Cohen loved math and science. She went on to work for NASA in the Apollo space program. In August of 1969, Cohen went into labor, but she stopped at the office to get some papers to finish the problem she was working on. While in labor, Cohen solved the issue and helped fix the navigation system used to save the Apollo 13 shuttle a few months later. She then gave birth to her fourth child, actor Jack Black.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be cloudy with a high of 59 degrees and a low of 29 degrees. Seriously, when is spring coming?
Today in history, in 1959, the first Barbie dolls are sold.
In the headlines, mesmerizing rose boughed fairy wrasse is new to science and named for national flower. There are hundreds of species of fish found off the coast of Maldives. A new addition is the first ever to be formally described after their country's nation flower. The new scientist rose-veiled fairy wrasse is one of the first species to have its name come from their language, a nod to both its pink colors and the insane nation flower.
Today's fun fact is, some dogs have such good noses they can sniff out medical problems.
Wow. Today's lunch options are spaghetti and meatballs or grilled cheese.
Now for the joke of the day. Hey Asher, why do ghosts love elevators?
I don't know why.
It lifts their spirits.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together. Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Bailey.
And I'm Asher. That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons.